Fossil identification. Fossils are any remains, trace, or imprints of a plant or animal that has been preserved in the Earth's crust since some past geologic or prehistoric time. Loosely, it is evidence of past life. In looking at a mold and a cast, and the difference between the two, when we see an imprint left behind due to the activity of an organism, like an animal walking in the mud, or a cavity left behind after an organism's skeletal remains are dissolved away, it is referred to as a mold. When that mold is filled, a cast of the organism's footprint or skeletal remains can be created. A cast is a replica of the organism's original form. Carbonization is another form of fossilization. Carbonization is when the organic remains are preserved as a film of carbon. We see this commonly with plant remains. Other types or evidence of past life might be things like coprolites. These are solid waste pellets of animals that are occasionally preserved. The fossils can provide evidence of the size and the diet of the animal that deposited them. Gastroliths, or stomach stones, are highly polished and rounded stones that are the result of grinding against one another as part of the fragmentation process in eating and digestion. Mesozoic age dinosaurs remains have been found with these gastroliths. We see the same thing happening with chickens. In this exercise, your assignment will be to use the given figures and your fossil samples to identify the name of the given fossils. In addition to using your book, you can take the names. For example, the first figure in the book is that of an ammonite. You can type in ammonite into your computers and look up additional images of what an ammonite would look like for examples when you're trying to identify these fossils. That'll be this entire assignment, identification. That'll terminate or end the assignment.